Here's how I turned these lumps of resin into Freddy Krueger. First I glued everything together and painted the base silver, and then I made it look rusty, and then I painted the red parts white. Base coated his face, painted his pants black, painted some red, and then painted some green. I painted his shoes brown, I painted his hat brown. Then I painted the white parts red, and then I made his jumper dirty, and then I used some of this and some of this to make his pants and his shoes dirty. When it was dry, I rubbed it all off and then tickled his feet and his legs with a dry brush for some highlight. Bit of gloss varnish for the blood, and then I put some fabric on the bottom to cover up my failures. Highlighted his jumper, then painted his hand. Realised his hand was too shiny, so with a bit of tricky video edit, and I made it dirty. I painted his fingernails and then glued his hand on. Then I used some of this stuff to pick out the edges on the model and make me look better than I actually am. Freddy's head gets a wash with a red wash, which then gets taken off. I then used a dry brush to put some mid-tones back into his skin and then gave him a yellow. After taking the yellow wash off, I put the highlights into his skin. Then it's time for the detail work, so I put my Superman goggles. I used deck tan for his eyeballs and then some salmon rose detailing around the eyes, and then some Prussian blue followed by some Thousand Suns blue for the eyeball detail. Freddy's got a burned face, so I gave him some satin varnish, then some gloss varnish on the eyeballs. And we're pretty much finished, so I glued his body to his legs, and then glued his head to his hat, and then glued his head to his body. Job done. Thanks for watching, hope you liked it. Like, comment, follow, subscribe, blah blah blah.